Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Unwatched Recipes channel. I made a beef tenderloin with butter today, and while I was doing it, I wanted to share it with you. One beef tenderloin is not a very large animal. We call it a milk-drinking calf. Real milk butter, chili pepper, powdered ginger, black pepper, cumin, powdered garlic, rock salt, thyme. I will use a big sharp knife. I'm rubbing the knife with a flat tabletop. I placed the beef tenderloin on the wooden cutting board. I open the tenderloin wide by cutting it from the bottom with a knife. I close a bag over the meat and hit it gently. After playing some rhythm music, the tenderloin was just how I wanted it. Butter out of the freezer. I add powdered ginger. I add paprika. I will add less because it is very hot. Cumin. Black pepper. Some garlic powder. I do not add too much salt. I will add salt again after frying. Oregano. I add the butter to the tenderloin. I'm wrapping meat. I cut it and add it inside the wrap to smooth the edges. After wrapping it a little tight, I cut it into thick slices. After 3 to 4 minutes of frying in a cast iron, I can eat it right away. First, I add the cast iron pan to the fire and wait for it to heat up. There is some cow fat. I will cut a piece of it and oil the pan. Since the tenderloin is a lean meat, I will cook it fatty. I grease the pan well with cow oil and wait for it to warm up. I add the tenderloin slices to the hot pan and fry for 1.5 minutes. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. I need to buy a car, you can leave a tip, support me. After 1 minute, I turn the tenderloin slices and fry for another 1.5 minutes. I take the steak slices out of the pan before it gets too dry. After pouring the hot oil in the pan on it, I add the mountain thyme. I add salt, and if you'll excuse me, this meat has to go into the stomach before it gets cold. It tasted great and it was a soft meat that your children can eat. See you in a new uninteresting video. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.